Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to change the color of any 3D object in Unity. Alright, let's begin. In the hierarchy, right-click and go to 3D Object, Cube. This will create a basic cube in your scene. You can position it wherever you like. Next, let's create a material for our cube. In the project window, right-click and select Create Material. You can rename it to anything you want. I'll name mine Player. Click on the material, and in the inspector, you'll see the color picker. Choose any color you want. Now simply drag and drop the material onto the cube in the scene, or the hierarchy. And there it is. The cube instantly changes color. Let's go with something bright so it's easy to see. Now, let's also change the color of our ground. If you don't have a ground yet, you can create one the same way as the cube. This gives you a flat surface to work with, and again, you can name it anything you like. Just like before, let's create a new material. Right-click in the project window and choose Create Material. I'll name this one Ground Color. And that's it! We created a cube, changed its color, and now even customized the ground color. Super quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more Unity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.